So we have 4 beautiful red peppers. I'm gonna take the tops off, take the ribs out.
Okay, but don't go too fast. Like, take your time and make sure the top is straight.
Is that straight?
Make sure it can stand up straight.
Well, how do I make sure it stands up straight if it's not a straight one? The dynamic has changed. This week on Vince is at Home, what are we making?
Stuffed peppers.
Yeah. What's the inspiration?
I've had them at hot tables and stuff.
Oh, is that why you like them? Like you go to Molizana, you used to go to Old Bread Mill, and they're always ready. Diversa. Shout out to all those guys.
So I
Brought it home.
concocted my own recipe to make them.
How long is this gonna take, roughly?
Probably about 45 minutes.
Including cooking?
Yeah,
How much prep?
not too much.
Okay, let's cook.
I'll start the filling. So I'm going to start by boiling the rice with vegetable stock and a little bit of tomato paste.
Why are you doing it in vegetable stock?
It just gives the rice some flavor. Flavor every layer.
Flavor every layer. Did you borrow that or is that a Kristen? All I'm doing is take the peppers out, cut the tops off, taking out the ribs, making them beautiful, ready for stuffing. Now you said we are warming the peppers.
But before we put them in,
Olive oil. We're using Greek olive oil today.
drizzle a little bit of olive oil and put a little bit of salt and pepper, please.
Inside the middle.
Yeah, season every layer.
Season every layer.
So those are just gonna go in and soften a bit before we stuff them. And then I'm going to saute the ground beef with a few spices.
I will chop up your shallot for you. Oh, my eyes are crying right now. My eyes are crying. Kristen,
Yeah,
I'm crying.
you okay? So I'm just gonna break this up a little bit in the pan. So I just put some oregano, basil, paprika, whatever you like. You can use Italian seasoning. Is it pronounced shallots or shallots?
I have no idea.
And in here, I'm also gonna put a little bit of tomato paste. Giancarlo, can I get you to stir the rice, put it down to a simmer and cover it, please? On this, I'm just gonna take off the heat for a bit. Into this pan, I'm going to mix the rice with the meat mixture. And now I need the cheese. Parmigiano and the Italian shredded cheese mixture. Just a little. And mix it
That was not a little.
to your taste and mix it all together. And this is going to go into our peppers. So those are nice and soft now, so you're not gonna bite into a hard pepper.
Yeah, if you don't do this, then what happens?
And it's just too hard.
Yeah, you don't
You
get
want the peppers to be a little bit cooked, softened first
Yeah.
before you stuff them. Everything here is now cooked, so now we're just assembling. So you just stuff the peppers with your mixture. You're gonna top with some cheese and pop those back in.
All right, Derek, I'm taking it out.
Well, no, close it first and open it again.
Doesn't really matter, I can just get it from
No,
this.
close it, open it, take it out.
Okay, I got another Clint Eastwood on my hands.
So we broiled it for about 5 minutes just to melt the cheese and get it crispy on top. For the purposes of this video, to cut it open, don't you want him to be able to see it like clearly,
Whatever you want.
right? You're gonna share with me?
I'm gonna
You don't like to share usually.
Whatever, it's fine. Why are you being so gentle?
Well, you know,
What? You're trying to make like for effect?
I just don't want everything to just like
You won't.
fall out.
Oh, I love it. They're so good. Good job, honey.
You got your meat, you got your veg, you got your rice. It's balanced.
It's balanced.